Hello students, today we'll study about 56K modems. Okay, last class we have completed about synchronous voice print modem and about the modem synchronization. Next we'll study about another category of modem that is called the 56K modem. So first let's know about what is that 56K. Okay, so here that 56K represents what the data transmission rate of that particular modem. Okay, and that is what your 56 kilobit per second kbps. Okay, kbps is kilobit per second. So here the 56K modem is named after its data transmission rate, that is 56 kilobit per second. So that type of modem was first developed by the ITU-T board in 1998. Okay, and you know that ITU-T is what? A standard organization, that is International Telecommunication Union Telecommunication Sector. Okay, and at that in that year 1998 V.90 specification was developed. Okay, and that about that 56K modem was specified under V.90 specification. That is one type of version. Okay, V is what your version 90 specification. So that version, it defines what asymmetrical data transmission. Okay, what is that asymmetrical data transmission? If the upstream and downstream data transmission rates are not same or mismatched, then that type of data transmission is called as what your asymmetrical data transmission. Okay, so now let's see what is that upstream and downstream. So see here in this diagram, first thing you know that modem is present both at the what transmitter side as well as at the receiver side. Okay, so whenever the modem that present at the transmitter side, it is transmitting the data towards the receiver side, data is transmitted, that means that data transmission is called as what your upstream. Okay, so the rate at which data is transmitted from the modem at the transmitter towards the modem at the receiver, that is called the upstream data rate. Okay, and at the receiver side the modem is receiving the data. Okay, and that thing is called as what your downstream. Okay, so the rate at which the data is received at the modem, that is called the downstream data rate. Like while you are uploading any file, okay, and downloading any file, okay, that thing is same, uploading and downloading in the same way, that is upstream and downstream. And so as per V.90 specification, your modem transmit data rate or the upstream data rate is maximum up to 33.6 kilobit per second kbps, and the modem downstream or the received data rate is up to maximum up to 56 kilobit per second. That's why the name is what your 56K modem. And see here the upstream data rate or the transmit data rate and the downstream or receive data rate are not same, these are unequal, mismatched. Okay, that's why that type of transmission, data transmission, is called as what your asymmetrical data transmission. Okay, but what happens, your 56K modems were inappropriate because the FCC board, FCC is what your Federal Communication Board, restrict the data communication rate up to 53 kilobit per second. Okay, and why it restricts the data transmission rate up to 53 kilobit per second? To reduce the crosstalk. Okay, crosstalk is what? One type of noise. Okay, that you know from the model 1, crosstalk is one type of noise. To overcome those problems, in 2000 again ITU-T specified or developed another new standard or specification, that is called V.92 or version 92 or 92. Okay, and here three different improvements or specifications are added. First thing is that an upstream transmission rate is around 48 kilobit per second. Okay, and previously in V.90 specification it was 33.6 kilobit per second, but now it is enhanced to 48 kilobit per second, and that can be achieved by improving the signaling technique as well as the data compression techniques. And the next feature that is available, faster call setup capabilities. Okay, because the V.92 modems can remember the information from the previous call to the same destination. So call setup is very faster. And number 3 is it can incorporate the hold option, like in your mobile phone now as you are using the smartphone, the call hold option is there. Okay, that can put a data call on hold for up to 16 minutes from where the voice calls are received. So maximum range is 16 minutes. Up to 16 minutes you can hold a call. Okay, that specification is provided into the version V.92. Okay, so that is all about your 56 kilobit per second modem, or simply the 56K modems. Thank you.